I would like to introduce with Yes BD Rotary Oven. Operational advantages: energy efficiency. Faster, more consistent baking means less energy consumed per product. Versatility. Suitable baking items. Easy loading, unloading. Less supervision. Programmable and automated features require less. Baking. Quality and consistency. Rotation exposes all sides of the food to heat, preventing uneven cooking, burnt spots. Consistent results. Produces identical texture, colour and flavour across every product, crucial for brand reputation. Efficiency and productivity. Faster baking. Convection and rotation speed up cooking times, allowing for more batches. Increased production capacity. Reduced cost. Automates the rotation process, freeing up staff from manual tray turning. Manufacturing by brand. Yes BD, origin China. One-stop solution of commercial and industrial kitchen equipment.